Assalamualaikum friends, today I am going to talk on the poem or story Sanu's Regret. The story is written by the writer Sir Rizwan Ahmad Mehmood on his book The Reflections. The story highlights the points such as confidence, self-working, hard work and believe in yourself. Believe in yourself is very important. When you believe in yourself, you can conquer the stars, you can even touch the Mars, you can even land yourself on Saturn. When you believe in yourself, you can do anything. You can be the Prime Minister of Pakistan, you can be the President of Pakistan. So the boy named Sanu, whose full name is Sanaullah, he was afraid of himself. He used to be the shy boy in his class, such as in our class there are many boys who feel they shy. So this is not a good thing. So you should have confidence in yourself. When you believe in yourself, you can come on any stage, on any ocean, on any place, at any time you can come. No matter you don't have ideas, but when you believe in yourself, ideas come to you. Because God helps those who want God to help them. So I have a quote. The quote is made by Marcel that create your kingdom, rule the world. When you create your kingdom, you can rule the world. Other thing the writer tells us about this poem is that confidence. When you don't have confidence, there are two things. One is less confidence and another is all confidence. Less confidence is not good for health and all confidence is also not good for health. You should have confidence in yourself. You should not be all confident, you should be only confident. Confidence means that if teacher is calling you for something, you should always say yes to say. You don't say, oh sir, I can't do it at that time, sir, give me 2 days, I will do after 2 days. So these are the mistakes we have in ourselves. When we try to make our mistakes better, when we try to make ourselves better, when we will try to make ourselves better, we can even be the best persons of the society. If you want to be the motivational speaker, you can be Sandeep Maheshwari, Qasim Ali Shah. Why can't you? You can be also doing. About the poem, Sanaullah is a very lazy person. He was shy in his class. He used to hide himself behind the walls. He didn't used to come on the boards. He used to fail in his papers. And in his first year papers, he was unable to go to the college to fill his form. Then his friend Rizwan helped him and gave him confidence that Sanu, you can do it. You are one of the best students. So writer got inspired from his story and wrote the poem. Thank you.
Sanu's Regrets by Rizwan Ahmad Mehmood. When Mr. Sanu looked back on his past, he got lost in thought. And he repented a lot. The time he had wasted, the mistakes he had made. I saw a new hope in him in every moment. But when he said he'd do, he never did, so he regretted many things. The money he had wasted, the kind of friends he had made. He thought of his classmates, how they had developed before his very eyes. He became astonished by the progress they had made, the success they had achieved. Sometimes he thought it was luck, other times he blamed his laziness, and regretted many things. The times he had rested, the time he had wasted. In life he wanted to do a lot, but procrastination was his fault. So he repented a lot, the plans he had canceled, the goals he had abandoned. He could never build up his confidence, so all of his life he stayed back, never took any risks, never dared. At the end of the day, he regretted many things, the chances he had missed, the opportunities he had lost.
Assalamualaikum dear friends. It's honor, it's privilege and it's pleasure to be here, to be among the 30 plus shining stars of the IB Community College. Today I am going to give you presentation on the poem Sanu's Regret. It is written by the writer Rizwan Ahmad Mehmood, who hails from a village, Ekil, from Ladkana. This poem is all about confidence, self-belief and regret. Don't regret about your past, because the one who forgets his past, he becomes successful ahead. And about confidence, about self-belief, there are many examples. I would like to give you the examples from every professional, every field of their life. From cricket, I would like to give you the example of Rashid Khan. Rashid Khan started his training on the refugee camps in Pakistan, which were in northern areas. From football, there is a Pakistani footballer whose name is Kalimullah Khan, who hails from the most backward area of Pakistan, Chaman, where there is terrorism, where there is sometimes difficulties are created by nature, sometimes difficulties are created by ourselves, sometimes difficulties are created by the society, but you have to face the difficulties. If you want to go ahead, you have to face the difficulties, because the one who faces the difficulties has the more thinking capacity, he has more goals in his mind. And from football and from social media, I would like to give you the example of Asghar Khosa. He is very poor person, but now he has 900k likes. Means he has struggled a lot. He had self-belief in himself. From Bollywood, Lollywood, Tollywood, I would like to give you the example of Nana Patekar. Nana Patekar has struggled a lot in his life. He used to sell the tea. From politics, I would like to give you the example of Narendra Modi. He used to clean the tables which people used to pour the tea on the tables. So it means that you have to have self-belief in yourself. When you self-believe yourself, you can even touch the skies, you can even make yourself the president of Pakistan. And another thing, confidence. Confidence is always given by your society, your family, your friends. Friends are important things in your life, because when you are motivated by your friends, you will have more self-belief in yourself. So I would like to suggest you, be good friends. And I would like to quote a thing. It is also my bio on Facebook. Life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass. It's all about learning to dance in the rain. It means don't wait for the opportunities to come. Go and avail your opportunities, because you have got your chance, because you have got your self-confidence, morale, and morale is always given by your teachers. Teachers are like motivational speakers, more than the motivational speakers we see on social media, because they talk here live beside you. So in last, I would like to say that be confident, have self-belief, and never regret your past. Thank you so much.